Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Brian from One Touch Detailing. Today we're going to keep it short and sweet. We're not going to have a pretty much long topic. But today I want to talk about the E-Flow. I bought this product particularly for my drying agent to help me dry the vehicles off, spring, summer, and obviously fall. But I'm having a similar issue to what everybody else is having. I'll show you guys in a second. But I'm having a similar issue to what multiple people are having, and I'm trying to figure out how to resolve this issue without having to replace the battery. So if you're having the same issue, or you witness similar issues, or you know what's going on, please comment down below and help me out here. I'm going to show you what I'm going through. All right, guys, so here's the issue I'm having. I'm going to hold the power button, hold it a couple seconds. You'll see it. Actually, not even blinking this time. So what happens is when you hold the power button for a couple of seconds, you get some type of blinking or flashing or warning lights. It was just doing it not too long ago, and now I'm not getting any type of flashing or warning lights. I'm glad I'm actually showing you guys this live on camera. Help me out. Comment down below, please. I'm gonna plug it in next to see if I can get it. My charger is plugged in to the wall. It's plugged into an outlet. I'm not sure, but I thought you get a light that comes on here indicating that the charger is on. I don't have a light that's indicating that this is on as well. There's no reset button on this charger. All right, guys, so I'm going to plug the charger in, and I'm going to push this power button at the same time when I get the connectors to slide all the way in. Let's see if we can get any type of flashing or any type of indicating. It was coming on not too long ago before I started recording, when I wanted to show you guys, and now I'm not getting anything. It's already plugged in. I'm not getting no flashing here. I'm not getting nothing. So please, if you have the same issue, or you know the issue that's going on with this unit, please comment down below so I can try to fix this as soon as possible. I did hear that they have replacement batteries online, but I wasn't looking to replace the battery. So let's see if we can fix this. Comment down below. Please help me out. So this is the charger. I currently checked all the connections. Just double check, make sure nothing is broken, and make sure nothing is cracked. I don't see anything like that that's damaged. Again, it's pretty simple. I don't see any reset button on this machine here, where I can reset it if that's the case. I may have to open this up, which I didn't want to do. But yeah, please just drop a comment if you know what's going on. Same thing here. I wish I would have started recording earlier. Usually hold the power button, which I'm holding now for a couple seconds. Here we go. Here's the flashing I'm getting. But that's the only thing I'm getting here is just flashing. I'm not getting anything else to tell me the battery level. I'm not getting anything. So if you guys know what's going on, just comment down below, please. Drop a comment. Help me out, please. I'll show you guys. You guys can see that. Might be a little bit hard to read, but not sure what's going on here. No power again. And we'll run it back to this charger unit. Fully plugged in. And here's some blinking, but no light on the charger. No light here indicating that it's being charged. And this is not, there's nothing going on here. I think it's like lights up green and go around, but nothing going on here. Help me out, help me out, help me out. Yes, guys, please help me out, help me out. Let's try to fix this issue. Comment down below, drop a comment, and let me know if we can get this thing resolved. I appreciate you. I appreciate your support. Drop a comment down below. You already know, hit the subscribe button, and hit a notification if you're going through a similar issue and you want to know what's going on. Thank you.